I finished the Poogan with a picot stitch. So first I did a single crochet around just to kind of level things out. And then I did a single crochet and an alternating color to give it some contrast. And then I thought a picot edge might be nice. So would you like to learn how to do a picot stitch like I did with this? Okay, so I have a corner-to-corner swatch where I've already done the base edging to give me a nice foundation. I have a slip knot on my hook. I'm going to insert my hook into one of these stitches here. I'm going to grab the loop and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, and there's a single crochet. That's really called a standing single crochet. I'm going to do another single crochet in the next stitch. And this is where I'm going to make the picot. So I have a single crochet. I'm going to chain 3. And I'm going to come down to, some people will go into like the first chain to do this. I like to go into the top of the single crochet. So go into that front of the top loop, the left side of the base of the single crochet, insert your hook, grab a loop and pull through, and pull all the way through. So really what you did is a slip stitch. Now, one more single crochet in the next stitch, I think helps to anchor it down. So there you have it. Single, single chain 3, make the picot, another single. Let's do it again. Single crochet, single, do a chain 3, come down to the top, that front loop of the single crochet, the left side of the base, grab your yarn, pull through. You're pulling through all loops. There you go. You could pull tight if you like, and then single crochet. So I think it helps to, like I said, to anchor it down. So each one is basically 3 singles with a picot in the middle.